Welcome to Study Loop.
In this problem, the focal length of the objective is given as 0.5 centimeter. Tube length is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Magnifying power is equal to 100. And here I can write the value of V naught plus Fe is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Now the magnifying power for normal adjustment is given by M is equal to V naught by U naught multiplication D by Fe, which is equal to minus 1 minus V naught by F naught multiplication D by Fe. On solving it further, I can write 100 is equal to minus 1 minus V naught by zero point 0.5 multiplication 25 by Fe. On solving it further, I can write the expression as 2 V naught minus 4 Fe is equal to 1 is equal to plus 1. So from equation this, let it be 1, and from equation V naught plus F is equal to 6.5 centimeter, let it be equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, I can write the value of V naught is equal to 4.5 centimeter and the value of Fe is equal to 6.5 centimeter minus 4.5 centimeter, which is equal to 2 centimeter as the focal length of the eyepiece.